Artist Looking Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2013 Mazda CX5 stock number 6967. It's ran from the 2nd 2012 to the 12th 2016. Has an SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 19-inch factory America tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door 1 dent. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 19-inch factory America tyre. Left hand taillight. Rear tailgate. Right hand taillight. Right rear 19-inch factory America tyre. Right hand door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front 19-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.